Hi and welcome to another episode of The Clueless Pirate. This episode is going to be a bit of a mixed bag, to be honest. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of pretty much everything inside the boat. It's full of junk and stuff that we're just not going to be needing at the time being, or even when I get things back to how they should be. We're probably going to replace things, so that's the first order of business. Second of all, we're going to try and get rid of a lot of water because over obviously the last few weeks we've had quite a bit of snow and rain and things like that. And the chain locker, there's a little hole, I don't know what you want to call it, still useless with names on a boat, but there's like a little passageway for water to fall out of from the chain locker. So water was coming in for the chain locker and it was getting blocked and it was just spilling over. I'm talking, some of the ice that I found inside the boat was like this thick by like this wide. Massive, so I had to clear all that out. It was a big story, but never mind. Hopefully I've sorted that problem with the chain locker, fingers crossed. No more big massive leaks inside the boat. After that, we're going to build a sort of workstation where the galley is, just so I've got somewhere to work and put my tools and things like that. And then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little unboxing of some tools. I'm going to try and add that in every episode. I think that would be pretty awesome if I'd done that, because something that quite interests me is unboxing and stuff like that, and getting new things. So we're going to do that at the end. But before I start, I would like to say a big massive thank you to everybody who's supporting me doing these videos. It's really nice and it's really positive. For people from my work, so know who you are, thank you so much. At home, you've been so supportive. Even people from sort of America and things like that, Sailor James, Sailing Blackburn. There's also another channel who's been really supportive as well. Can't get the name of the channel, but what's the name of it? Cold North Sailing or something like that. I might have had that wrong. I'll add it in somewhere. But yeah, it's really nice to have that support from people. And as we go further on in my videos, I'll explain why I've purchased a boat in this condition, and why I bought a boat without any experience of a boat and things like that. And we can all kind of share that journey as we go along. But yeah, so without spraffing on too much, the inconsistency with uploading videos is going to take a little while to get right, simply because of COVID. In Scotland we're still in a lockdown, so obviously getting out to the boat is quite difficult. I feel like James Bond as I'm trying to escape, but it's not that bad, but you know. So yeah, it's going to be a bit inconsistent for a while until lockdown eases. Then I can upload more videos as I go. But yeah, without keeping going, let's get cracking. So over here is where we're going to have the workstation. Obviously I don't like germs, so yeah, this boat's probably full of everything. So it'll probably just be a wee time lapse, or I'll speed the video up. But yeah, nobody's going to enjoy watching someone clean up, so so let's get started on this and enjoy. I have previously removed the faucets from here just to make room. Good morning everybody, it's a new day. I'm going to start on the workspace. I've already started kind of demolishing it a little bit because there's a lot of stuff going on. But before we start, I'm going to talk about this puppy here. So my old man bought me a generator because I'm planning on taking all the electricity out of the boat and stuff like that to restart. So this is going to be the main sort of power source for the tools and things like that. So without blathering on again, let's get started. So this is I picked this up. It's quite thin, but it'll do the job. It was only £7. And being here, it was like the off-cut section, so can't complain with that. But I don't have a pencil or a pen. Oh, Darren, you're a fruitcake. Never mind. Never mind. Exactly the reason why I wanted to build like a workstation is because there's nowhere to kind of work. Let's rest that one there. That's about right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a line right down here, and that'll be where to cut, and then obviously I'll fix that angle once I've got the length. Correct. Let's try this one. So as I said, don't know if my camera fell off, so I'm going to make a line down here. So make that a cut, and then I'll sort the angle out once I've done that. I'm probably doing this. Oh. Yeah, that's right. As I say, nothing needs to be neat at the moment. Because I'm still, you know, this is like I say, this is just an area for me to work in. This is quite a cool little, it's like a magic wand. Right. I'm sweating already. This is it was fat. Sorry, I know this isn't going to be the most enjoyable thing to watch right now, but this is one of the bits that needs to be kind of done. So I can actually set up a camera area so I can actually record better. I think I got too excited. As I say, it doesn't need to be neat. No, I mean that's it. I mean it's wonky, but do you know what? I'll do it. No, I won't. So I'm going to just take a little bit more off this edge. Well, I should have took those meltings off first, but I know it's a bit squint, I don't know if you can see it, it's a bit, I've taken out, I got a bit excited and taken a bit too much off, but it's not to worry. I'm going to take these off in a minute as well. I've got drill bits there to go into drill, take them off so we can get another part on. Stinks. Oh well, that's that one out. So one bolt out. So I'll just speed this up a bit. So these aren't just sitting watching me make a mock of myself. So far, I think it's looking pretty good. I mean, yeah, I got excited and chopped a wee bit too much off, but I think that's good. I think that's really good. I mean, that was probably there when I bought it. Why did you do this, Darren? Why did you buy a boat? Oh, right, stay positive. It's just a bit, I was wanting to add in with the decor of the rest of the boat, looking at kind of messed up way. No. Right, so. Sorry if the camera work is really bad just now. Once I get a tripod and things like that, we'll probably be looking a little better. Finished the little worktop. It's not much, so it's not the most best thing, but at least it's going to give me an area to put things, and maybe, you know, rather than when you've seen in the video there how hard it was to kind of do things within the minimum space that I've got at the moment. So happy days. I even took a little bit off of here just for old time's sake. So the part I've been looking forward to the most, and I've been looking forward to opening this for a while. It's probably going to be like mince to you guys, but I think it's pretty cool. So here it is. It's a Makita. It's a little bit set. So yes, let's open it up. Obviously, as we go on, I'm going to get better at all this video and stuff and everything like that. Hopefully I get better at the joinery part as well. Ooh, cute. So when we open it, oh, this is cute. So you get this, this makes my hands look huge. I look like a fucking giant. Didn't realise it was for small people or children. Damn it. Anyways, so I've got a little part here. Assuming this goes into here, makes it bigger. Yeah. It's got all different sets. You've got all your different bits, which I think is pretty good actually. I think this is going to come in really handy on the boat. Really handy. I don't know what that bit's for. But yeah, so here's the first unboxing that we've done on the boat. I really quite like this. It's quite neat, it's quite tidy, it's going to be great for trying to get into small spaces and taking off bolts and things like that. The other thing that I would talk about is what this, because I got this today, which I think this is really good. It was only £12. I think that's pretty good. You get all the bits, and you know, obviously my drill, I'm going to need to get a new drill soon, but I quite like the brand Makita. My dad uses it at work as well. He's a carpet fitter, so and in his hut and stuff like that, when he's building stuff or anything. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this, but this is just awesome. I really like this. Really nice. The quality is really nice as well. It's like rubber on this floor, so I really like it. Really like it. So yeah, the first unboxing done and dusted. Hopefully next time we'll have something else. It's just going to be little bits and bobs for the boat or whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode, because I know I enjoyed it. Kidding. No, I did. It was really good. It was quite good fun actually. As I say, this isn't serious. This isn't. You know, I know I've got a lot to learn when it comes to carpentry and wiring and wood, and even when it comes to the boat. I've got so much to learn. But I'm hoping that, you know, when I do learn, I can share stuff, and it'll help other people, or if someone else fancies tackling a project like this, you know, they'll hopefully feel more comfortable doing it. So yeah, if you really like this video, please like and subscribe, or leave a comment, or if you want to comment about any of my dodgy joinery or carpentry skills, just go ahead. But yeah, as I say, it's hopefully once I get better at it all, you know, we'll get more progress. But the next video is probably going to be more demolition work. I'm going to be taking a lot of the stuff out of the saloon area there, and we're going to be dealing with a few of the leaks. I think so, yeah. I think that's what we'll be tackling next. But yeah, I'll see you all soon.